Looking for healthy snack options for diabetes? Welcome to your one-stop guide for mindful munching. In the world of diabetes, snack selection is crucial. It's not just about satisfying those midday cravings, but also about maintaining steady blood sugar levels. Today we're introducing 9 scrumptious, diabetic-friendly snacks that are not only delicious, but also beneficial for blood sugar control. From crunchy almonds to creamy Greek yogurt, you're in for a treat. So, stick around to discover the best snack choices to keep your blood sugar levels in check. Our first snack is none other than almonds. These tiny tree nuts are a powerhouse of nutrients, packing a hefty punch of fiber, healthy fats, and protein. They're a great snack for everyone, including those managing diabetes. Why, you may ask? Well, almonds have a low glycemic index. This means that they release glucose into the bloodstream slowly, avoiding a sudden spike in blood sugar levels. That's a big win for blood sugar control. But there's more. Almonds are also rich in magnesium, a mineral known to aid in the metabolism of sugar. Some studies even suggest that a higher magnesium intake can reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Remember though, moderation is key. A serving size of about a handful or roughly 23 almonds is ideal. So go ahead, enjoy this crunchy delight. It's not just about the taste, it's about making smart, healthy snack choices. So almonds not only taste great, but also help manage your diabetes. Next up, we have Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a fantastic snack, especially for those who are mindful about their health. It's packed with high-quality protein, which helps to keep you feeling satisfied longer, making it a great choice for a snack. The protein content is almost twice as much as in regular yogurt, so you're getting more bang for your buck. Not only that, but Greek yogurt is also lower in carbs than traditional yogurt, making it an excellent choice for those who are watching their carbohydrate intake. Bear in mind that the serving size is crucial here. A recommended serving is typically around 1 cup. Beyond just the nutritional benefits, Greek yogurt has a rich, creamy texture and a slightly tangy flavor that can be very appealing. You can enjoy it plain, or mix in some fresh fruits or nuts for added flavor and nutrients. Greek yogurt, a perfect blend of taste and health benefits. Moving on to our third snack, the avocado. Now, this is no ordinary fruit. Avocados are bursting with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats that can help lower bad cholesterol levels. This creamy delight also packs a punch with dietary fiber, about 10 grams in a medium-sized avocado. That's almost half of the daily recommended intake. But here's the kicker. The fiber in avocados is soluble, which slows down the breakdown of carbohydrates in your body, helping to keep your blood sugar levels stable. Plus, it's a great source of vitamins C, E, K, and B6, along with riboflavin, niacin, folate, pantothenic acid, magnesium, and potassium. Talk about a nutritional powerhouse. Remember, moderation is key. A serving size is typically 1/3 of a medium avocado. So next time you're feeling peckish, why not reach for this green gem instead of a bag of chips? Avocado truly is a super snack for diabetics. Next in line is a popular dip, hummus. This creamy blend of chickpeas, tahini, olive oil, lemon juice, and garlic is not just tasty, but it's also packed with health benefits. Hummus is high in fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar levels. It's also a good source of plant-based protein, keeping you satisfied and helping to curb hunger. What sets hummus apart is its low glycemic index. Foods with a low glycemic index are digested slowly, causing a slower rise in blood sugar levels. This makes hummus a smart choice for those seeking to manage their blood sugar levels. But how you enjoy your hummus is just as important. Pairing hummus with raw veggies like carrots or bell peppers makes for a nutrient-dense snack that's low in carbs and high in fiber. Remember to monitor your portion sizes. A serving of hummus is typically 2 tablespoons, so dip wisely and savor each bite. Hummus, a versatile and diabetic-friendly snack. Our next snack might be small, but it's mighty, chia seeds. These tiny powerhouses are a treasure trove of nutrients and health benefits. Packed with fiber, they can help you feel full and satisfied, reducing the need to reach for unhealthy snacks between meals. Chia seeds are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and essential minerals like calcium and magnesium. But what's really impressive is their ability to aid in managing blood sugar levels. With their high fiber content, chia seeds slow the conversion of carbohydrates into sugar. This results in a steady release of energy, preventing those sudden spikes and crashes in blood sugar that can leave you feeling drained. A suitable serving size is about 2 tablespoons. You can sprinkle them onto your yogurt, mix them into smoothies, or even use them as a topping for salads. Remember, They're versatile and easy to incorporate into your daily diet. Chia seeds, a tiny snack with significant benefits. Coming up next are the ever-refreshing berries. Bursting with flavor and packed with nutritional goodness, berries are a delicious and healthful addition to any diet, especially for those managing diabetes. Why, you may ask? Well, berries are known powerhouses of antioxidants. These tiny, vibrant fruits are chock full of compounds that help fight inflammation and protect your cells from harmful free radicals. But that's not all. Berries also have a low glycemic index, meaning they have a minor impact on blood sugar levels. This makes them a wonderful choice for those keeping an eye on their sugar intake. Now let's talk serving size. A cup of fresh berries is a typical serving. You can enjoy them as a standalone snack, or add them to your morning oatmeal or yogurt for an extra burst of flavor and health benefits. Remember, moderation is key. As with any food, overindulgence can lead to unintended consequences. So enjoy your berries, but do so wisely. Berries, a colorful delight for your diabetic diet. Our next snack is a classic movie companion, popcorn. This delightful snack is more than just a tasty treat. It's a healthy choice too, especially if it's air-popped. Air-popped popcorn doesn't have the added fats and sodium that you'd find in the traditional movie theater popcorn. It's high in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps keep you feeling full and satisfied, reducing the urge to reach for less healthy snacks. What's more, popcorn is low in calories. A 3-cup serving of air-popped popcorn clocks in at just about 100 calories. It's a snack you can enjoy without worrying about spiking your blood sugar levels. But remember, portion control is key. A small, measured serving can provide the crunch and satisfaction you crave without derailing your health goals. So next time you're craving a snack, consider reaching for a bowl of air-popped popcorn. Popcorn, a light and diabetic-friendly snack. Last but not least, we have cheese. A delightful treat loved by many, cheese is more than just a flavorful indulgence. It's a powerhouse of nutrition, especially for those managing diabetes. Cheese is high in protein, which is essential for maintaining muscle mass and promoting satiety. But that's not all. Protein also plays a crucial role in controlling blood sugar levels. It slows down the absorption of carbohydrates, preventing spikes in blood sugar. This makes cheese a fantastic snack for those watching their glucose levels. Not all cheeses are created equal, though. Opt for cheeses that are low in fat and sodium, like mozzarella or cottage cheese. And remember, moderation is key. A serving size is typically 1 ounce, about the size of a pair of dice. So the next time you're looking for a snack, reach for a slice of cheese. It's not only delicious, but also a smart choice for your health. Cheese, a tasty and nutritious snack for diabetics. That brings us to the end of our list. We've explored a variety of snacks that are not only tasty, but also diabetes-friendly and loaded with health benefits. Let's take a quick trip down memory lane. We started our journey with almonds, a powerhouse of essential nutrients and known for their ability to maintain blood sugar levels. Then we moved on to Greek yogurt, a protein-rich snack that also aids in blood sugar control. Next on our list was the creamy avocado, packed with healthy fats and fiber, which are key to keeping you satiated. We then delved into the world of hummus, a versatile snack that pairs well with many foods and is great for blood sugar management. Chia seeds, the tiny but mighty superfood, came next. They are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, helping to stabilize blood sugar levels. Berries made it to our list too, with their high fiber content and antioxidant properties. Popcorn, the ultimate comfort snack, made an appearance, reminding us that even our favorite movie time snack can be healthy when made the right way. And of course, we couldn't forget cheese, a delicious source of protein and calcium. In all, remember to keep a keen eye on portion sizes. All these snacks can fit into a balanced diet, but portion control is key. It's all about balance, moderation, and making mindful choices. Remember, the right snack choices can make a big difference in managing your diabetes.